Ever wondered why some YouTube videos seem to explode with views, comments, and shares, while others just disappear into the digital void? The answer often lies in the very first 5 seconds. That opening moment is everything. If you do not hook your viewer immediately, you risk losing them for good. Start strong with a provocative question, a bold claim, or a relatable problem. For example, you might ask, "What if I told you your YouTube videos are driving people away?" Or declare, "Here's why 90% of creators never break 1,000 subscribers." Nail that opening, and you have their attention. Do not waste time with lengthy intros or irrelevant chatter. The first impression sets the tone for the entire video and determines whether viewers stick around or click away. You do not need to reinvent the wheel to create engaging content. The most successful YouTubers follow a proven structure that works time and time again. Start with a hook, then introduce a problem or promise. Next, break down your content into clear steps, a list, or a demonstration. Finally, wrap up with a recap or a compelling call to action. This structure is clean, predictable, and effective because your audience knows what to expect and how long to stay. When viewers can follow along easily, they are more likely to watch until the end and engage with your content. Static talking heads are quickly becoming a thing of the past. To truly captivate your audience, use dynamic visuals like B-roll footage, animations, on-screen captions, and smooth transitions. This is especially important for faceless content, where visuals carry even more weight. Engagement spikes when your visuals match your message. Tools such as Lumen 5, Pictory, and Feed can help automate this process, making it easier than ever to create visually compelling videos. By keeping your visuals fresh and aligned with your narrative, you ensure that viewers remain interested and attentive throughout your video. Want to keep people watching all the way through? Disrupt the rhythm of your video every 15 to 30 seconds. Add a new graphic, a sound effect, a quick jump cut, or a bold zoom or crop. These pattern interrupts keep your viewer's brain alert and glued to the screen. When the content feels dynamic and unpredictable, viewers are far less likely to click away. Small changes in visuals or audio can make a huge difference in retention, so do not be afraid to experiment with different techniques to see what resonates with your audience. At the very start of your video, tease what is coming later to build anticipation and encourage longer watch times. Say things like, "Stick around. At the end, I'll reveal the #1 editing mistake killing your views," or "There's a free bonus waiting in the outro." This strategy not only keeps viewers engaged but also signals to YouTube's algorithm that your content is worth promoting. The longer people watch, the more likely your video is to be recommended to others. Do not just say, "Like and subscribe." Make your calls to action contextual and rewarding. For example, if you've ever struggled to keep viewers past the 1-minute mark, hit that like button. We're fixing that today. Ask specific questions to prompt comments, such as, "What's your biggest challenge with YouTube videos?" Or, "Which editing tool do you swear by?" YouTube equates engagement with value, so the more you ask, the more your audience will respond. Remember, engagement is not just about numbers, it is about building a community. Your video's fate is often sealed before viewers even hit play. Your thumbnail should spark curiosity, show emotion or contrast, and use 3 to 5 bold words at most. Your title should promise a transformation or benefit, include a relevant keyword, and evoke emotion or urgency. For example, "From 0 to 100,000 views, the strategy no one talks about," or "Why nobody's watching your videos and how to fix it." These elements work together to draw viewers in and set expectations for your content. Never ghost your viewers at the end. Use end screens to suggest binge-worthy videos, remind them what they have learned, and call them to action, whether that is commenting, downloading, or subscribing. Always end on a high note, not silence. This final push can turn casual viewers into loyal subscribers and keep your channel growing. If you want more tips on growing your faceless channel, creating automated content, or scaling passive income through YouTube, subscribe and join a community of smart creators building content the smart way.